Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Dudeney and I'm the Chair of the Organising Committee. However, before we begin the symposium, I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners and custodians of the land where we meet and to pay my respects to their elders, past and present. We extend that respect to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people present. I would also like to acknowledge the work of Indigenous library staff who help create collections which better represent our First Nations and make our libraries culturally safe places. At this stage, I'd like to introduce the committee. Rowena Brannigan, Elaine Glover, give a bit of a wave, Roderick Proger, and Amanda Travis. And I also like to thank the staff of ALIA National Office for the work they have done to make this symposium happen. We would not be here today without their support. Welcome everyone to the ALIA National Library and Information Technicians Online Symposium 2021. The theme for the symposium is Connections. The year 2020 has brought challenges and changes to the world, and libraries were at the forefront of ensuring people remain connected. The 2021 virtual LibTech Symposium will highlight how we as library technicians and library professionals rose to the challenge. Thank you to all the speakers joining us to contribute to creating an engaging program. And thank you to all the delegates for joining us for this symposium. Please participate online by asking speakers questions using the Submit a Question button. We will also have a Q&A after each session if time permits. You can communicate with speakers and with other delegates using the chat button. We also encourage you to join the conversation on social media. The hashtag is LibTech21. If you have any technical issues, there is a live chat button on the right-hand corner of your screens that will connect you to the technical team who will be able to help you with any issues. Sessions are being taped and will be available to watch on demand after the conference. I would like to start the event by welcoming our opening keynote speaker, Bonnie Wildey. Bonnie is a reference archivist with extensive experience in the cultural heritage sector. She has a keen interest in the history of Australian libraries and is an advocate for library workers engaging with the past as a way of understanding the present. She is also a library and information science educator and has worked for several years teaching the Diploma of Library and Information Services. I now ask Bonnie to present her keynote, Until Further Notice, Library Responses to the Pandemic Then and Now.